All right, guys, what's up? Another day, another video home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chuck. It's Crusoe with Simply Vegas. I'm out here in the city of Henderson, beautiful master plan community of Cadence, and we just got done touring the Seth model, which is a 5 bedrooms, around 3,000 square feet, 3-car garage. But today we're going to be touring this lovely property here. This is actually the, what's the name of this? Let me switch this thing around because I forgot the name of it. Can't remember everything. Oh, Hemingway. So this one right here is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 to 3.5 option, about 2,600 square feet. This is a 2-car garage. However, unfortunately, you cannot build from dirt, but they do have a total of 2, 4, 6, 7 standing inventory properties that you can buy. So Hemingway, okay, you're going to be into about $625,000 on this model here. Oh, one thing I do want to point out, if you guys haven't had a chance to check out the Seth model, check that model out because that's actually one of my favorite floor plans. But I do like this little front cover patio here. Especially today, it's about 80 degrees. Out in the sun is a little bit hot, I gotta admit. But when you come into the shade, nice and breezy. All right, let's go inside here. Look at this, we have electronic keypad. As we come in, right off to the right, we have the den or office. 9-foot ceilings. All right. We got wood-like tile. Definitely do like the variations on the tile though. I'm gonna say for me the Seth model, the way it's designed is a lot better, or the flow of the house. But like I said, you know, check that out. Also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Here we have our formal dining area. Let's get a better lay of the land here. So we have a slide. This is a 6'8" on the slide. Now, if you guys do come out here, John is one of the sales rep for this builder. Very nice guy. Just let him know that you've seen this video, and he definitely will take good care of you. Beautiful backyard though, that's for sure. So Cadence, you got to watch out because you do have a flight path here. I don't know if you guys can hear the plane, but when you're inside, I don't really hear it, or I don't hear it at all. Beautiful backyard. Yeah, this is something definitely I would have to build out here. This little grill. Did you notice all the countertops here, especially if you have a grill on the outside, it's always going to be granite. You'll never have quartz. The sun will definitely fade this out, so you do have to have some natural stone here because of the weather. Ooh, they actually skin this. Now, some builders will just add the cabinets here, okay, the 24-inch depth. This won't be here, but that gives you more of a custom look. 42 upper cabinets with the subway tile, the cook countertop. That would be an upgrade. Then we have our oven, General Electric. Now this is a very unique island here. So we have cabinets on this side here, cabinets on this side, then obviously our under-mounted sink. here, I would probably just take this all the way out and just do a straight waterfall here. But then we have the lip that comes out versus having this thing wrapped around. So that way you get more of a custom look. I mean, you definitely have a lot of cabinet space here, for sure. This takes us into the garage and the pantry. The only thing about these dome lights here, dust will tend to get inside, and you always got to pull that off and clean that. This one has a lot of upgrades too. Let's take a look at the living room area. 4-can lighting, ceiling fan. You've got your one-on-one your coax cable. You got your coax cable and your internet right behind the cabinet here. Then we have our quarter bath for your guests, vessel sink, so this is going to be more storage underneath the staircase. Okay, so because the pantry is a little bit small, this is probably where I would build additional shelving, right? Because you don't really need a coat closet anymore. All right, let's go upstairs. See what we're working with here. So as I make my way upstairs, come into a loft. We've got bedrooms 1, 2, 3. And then that must be the primary. You know what, let's start over here. Now if you guys want the list of standing inventory, just go ahead and reach on out to me. I'll give you the list. Or matter of fact, I'll just have a link in the description. It is a little bit hot up here though. All right, let's take a look at the bathroom. 32 inches on the vanity, very low. Then we have the 2 sinks. You have the option because this cabinet right here is not that long. It's a total of, I think, what, 52 inches here? It's very small to actually have 2 sinks. Tub shower combo. And I believe these are the Delta fixtures. I mean, the loft area is pretty large. The only thing about this loft, and you'll have an option, you want to make sure on their specs you actually have the 4-can lighting. Just due to the fact that we only have 1 ceiling fan here, a couple lights. This room is so large, when the lights illuminate down, they tend to fade. So you're not going to get that much coverage. So I would definitely do 4-can lighting on here. Something to look out for. I mean, these rooms are pretty decent sized room, for sure. Let's go take a look at the primary. Did we go in here? It's a laundry room. Yeah, okay. Obviously, you got the drain pan, which is a plus. Upper cabinet. I like the fact that our attic access is right there. Smart panel box is a little bit too small, so if you do buy spec, check the size on here because I can tell you right now, if you start adding more stuff, that's not going to be enough room. Oh, decent size primary. Got another thermostat there. We got a transfer duct. Now the primary bathroom seems a little bit narrow. I feel like the walls need to be changed with the color here, just due to the fact that it's making everything just look too dark. Oh, we have a window in our water closet. I guess that's kind of cool. You can open this up if you make a stinky. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you don't have a real estate agent, we definitely do, or we definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. I think this is kind of like my favorite part here on the second floor. Also, one thing I do want to mention is that when you buy a home, okay, you're going to get a lot of cracks, you're going to get a lot of movement on your home. What I would highly recommend you do, instead of waiting for like a whole year, because you're going to have to go through all the seasons, which is, we basically only have 2, hot or cold, right? What you can do is turn on the heat before you move in, let it get super hot inside the house, then turn it back to cold and let it get super cold. So that way now you're gonna start getting all the cracks in the walls, right? And this is how you're gonna acclimate your house. And then at that point, have the builders come back in and fix those items, right? So now set your temperature to where it needs to be. If it's, during the summertime, set it at, 78. And at that point, you should be fine, versus waiting like a whole year to 2 years, going throughout the whole seasons, and next thing you know, you're gonna get some cracks, you're gonna get minor hairline fractures on certain things. Why don't you just acclimate your house like immediately? So that's probably what I would do. Now, you don't have to do that, because people just want to move in, and look, I understand, but I just wanted to share that with you. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and also let me know what your thoughts are about this model here. And also, I want you to go back and check out the Seth model, because that's my favorite model. And if you go watch it, you're going to know why. So I would rather buy that one than this one. But I want to know which one you like the best. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed. Peace. If you are considering moving to Las Vegas, we have a lot of free products. We have the relocation guide. Now, the relocation guide talks about neighborhoods, surrounding areas, and school zones, hospitals. Now, once you subscribe to this, what's included is the Power Pack. What is the Power Pack? The Power Pack also includes the current housing market for the month. This talks about single-family residents, condos, and townhomes. And also, we have the economic study of what's going on within Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas. Now, if you're just a first-time home buyer, you just don't really understand the process, we have the free buyer's guide. This will literally walk you and prepare you for your first purchase. Now, if you are planning on financing, you got to get the mortgage hacks. The mortgage hacks is inside secrets on how to save thousands of dollars of the life of your loan. This also talks about all the type of loan programs, state programs that are available to you as a buyer. Now, if you're also planning on buying a brand new home, but you're not too sure which builder is a better builder, it really comes down to materials and supplies. So this is a comprehensive book that explains everything. 32 questions that you need to ask the builder before you actually buy a home. In addition to that, we also have an educational video that we explain how to actually buy a home. It's actually called the Masterclass Vote, and it's free. It's only about 30 to 40 minutes long, but it's something that is worth looking into. We also have the mortgage calculator. So if you are getting a loan and you want to know what your payments are, mortgage calculator, it breaks it all down and tells you exactly what your payment's going to be. So again, that is free. In addition to that, if you are considering buying or even selling a home, we are offering you a consultation. So it doesn't matter if you're out of state, because we can do a video chat live. We get to know each other. We explain everything, how it all works to prepare you to buy a home out here in Las Vegas. So just make sure to visit simplyvegashomes.com, or if you want to set up an appointment, give us a call today. Now, if you want to just view more video home tours, just go ahead and click on that link right there. We have over 1,000 video home tours. Other than that, peace.